Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock market's opening action, help you understand what is the trend looking like for the day. Of course, as we approach the F&O expiry, I will be getting you expert voices on how to really trade in the markets and where are the positive territories and returns going to be at. Today, I'm joined by Miraj Vora of IDBI Capital. Good morning, Miraj, and thank you so much for taking the time out. Let me quickly help all our viewers to understand what is the opening level like and how is the trend of early trading session looking like, and then we can continue our discussion. So the Sensex opened higher by 287 odd points, or 0.5% up in today's trading session at 54,340. The Nifty also pushed up higher by 90 odd points and is trading near 16,200 levels even now, even though there is some slight volatility that you're seeing in the markets currently in terms of sectors. Of course, you do see, half and half kind of movement, a mixed reaction. Banks are pushing higher, both private and PSU banks, financial services, FMCG, pharma. These are the indices that are moving up, but there is some profit booking and decline coming in on IT, on auto sectors, and the realty spaces too. Miraj, what do you really make of the markets opening action today, and how do you see markets trading now?
Good morning, Sakshi, and good morning to all the viewers. What we have seen is that, markets are now consolidating. The broader range still remains intact for the markets, where 16,400, 500 has been acting as a very stiff resistance, and 15,700 near that is where we are finding supports. Now from last two trading sessions, 16,000 is becoming an intermediate support for the markets. We have entered into the expiry week. Rollover data have started trickling in. Nifty has been still in line. Bank Nifty has been a little bit on the slowish side, but we expect Bank Nifty to pick up today and tomorrow, and we may see, higher than previous averages rollovers for Bank Nifty. Currently, the cost for long rollovers for Bank Nifty has been a little bit on the lower side, which may encourage, longs to roll over their positions aggressively. Overall, we still feel that, maybe we might be in a consolidative range for a couple of trading sessions more, or maybe, first week of the next expiry. After that, there are chances that, from this consolidation, we may break out. Only thing which is an hindrance or, indicator which we are not comfortable currently is the VIX index, which is at 25 levels, which is a little bit of a worrying sign. If that starts to cool off, then we may see that, index would be on a trajectory on the upside and to, retest 17,000, 17,200 marks.
Right, absolutely. Of course, the India VIX is trading near 25, and that's the cause of worry. The broader markets too are trading down, 0.5% downtick for the mid caps. The small caps are down by 0.8%, so underperforming the benchmarks at this current level too. Would you like to suggest any trading strategy to all the investors who want to trade the index in Nifty, Nifty Bank, or even the broader markets? Where is the better placed, index where you should really find those opportunities?
If you look at the better placed index, then I would say Bank Nifty would be much better to trade compared to Nifty, because that has been showing strengths in last 3 to 4 trading sessions. And one can, do an expiry trade where one can buy Bank Nifty 34,600 or 34,700 calls. They might be, a little bit more expensive currently, but that is where, you may get the highest amount of an up move going possible. 247 is, I guess, where 34,600 call is currently trading. One can, buy that and, wait for targets of around 450 or 460. We expect some bit of, up move till 35,000 for Bank Nifty.
Okay, understood that. Now, in terms of specific stocks today, we are seeing the likes of SBI Life, HDFC Life kind of gain in traction today. Some, positive ticks coming in from the banking space, like IndusInd Bank is moving higher. Bajaj Finserv is moving higher. One of these top gainers, Nestle, is up by almost 2% as well. Reliance Industries is pushing the index higher too. On the other hand, you have Adani Ports, Asian Paints, Tech Mahindra, Eicher Motors, and M&M all down in trade again. And again, we have seen the play up of crude oil prices overnight, and that has perhaps led to the oil upstream companies to perform better in the early action today. In terms of some specific stocks, Miraj, where are you keeping your eye out on, and what would you really recommend to all our viewers in today's trading session?
So in today's trading session, I would say the recommendations which I have today are not only for 1 or 2 days, but it can be a span of around a week or more.
Okay.
We are very positive on the defense space, and if you see, then an important or an interesting thing is that Government of India has given an area warning for testing of a missile in the eastern part of the Indian Ocean with an warning of 3,000 kilometers. So it's generally a long range missile. And one of the major beneficiaries, if something new in the missile technology comes, would be BEL. So one can put an outlook on that. Currently trading at around 234, 235, with 226 as a stop loss and a trading target of 255. However, investment we expect in next 2 years this can be a doubler very easily. And the second one is Philippines is also now getting closer to the Tejas deal, so HAL would be in focus. 1820 is currently what the stock is trading, and interestingly on the technical front, this stock has not got weak at all in this entire corrective phase. So that shows it's a very good strength of it, and 1900, 1950 are what we are targeting for this. And on the banking side, we feel that HDFC Bank has now come to a level where it may show some strength, and that may also help Bank Nifty going forward. So 1330, 1335 is where the currently stock is trading. We can put 1290 as a stop loss and 1420 as a target.
Okay, understood that. Well, thank you so much, Miraj, for sharing all these stock recommendations with all our viewers, and also sharing an insight into how the markets will really play up amidst all these macro setup going forward from here, and what is the best strategy to adopt as well. Thanks a lot for joining us on this special.
Thank you, Sakshi.